Our winters in Edmonton are very cold. We get temperatures as low as -40. It's important to make sure that your car can start in those brutal temperatures. Some of the things to look out for are your block heater. That is pretty important. That'll help your car start in very cold temperatures. The battery is make sure the battery is good, because when it's -30 or -40, its capacity can diminish by about a half. Also, your oil. Try to use thinner oils for winter, switch from 530 to possibly 5W20 or 020 for winter temperatures. Make sure you plug in your block heater when it's below -15. That'll help out. Check your spark plugs, filters, fluids. Those could also be a factor in startability of your vehicle. And always let your car warm up for at least 5 minutes before going on your drive. A really good way to prevent those winter problems is to bring your car to Star Auto Service for a quick and easy pre-winter checkup and winterization package.